Good morning. Today we'll be practicing rhyming words. Rhyming words have the same sound at the end of the word. Like in the words hat and bat. Hat, bat, rhyme. They both have the at sound at the end. Well, today I'm going to read you some poems. And as I read you the poems, I want you to pay close attention for the words that rhyme. Stan is sad. Stan lost his top. It didn't stop when he had it last. Now he is sad and feeling bad for losing a top so fast. In this poem, I hear a few rhyming words. Top, stop. Both have the op ending sound. Last, fast. Both have the ast at the end of the word. And sad, bad. Both have the ad at the end, making them rhyming words. Let's try another poem. One hot day. One hot day, a dog and hog saw a frog hop on a log. Dog and hog like the spot to sit and rest when it is hot. Frog said, I know what to do. Then dog and hog hopped in too. In this poem, we hear a lot of rhyming words. We hear dog, hog, frog, and log, which all have the OG sound at the end. Og, dog, hog, frog, log. Then we have spot and hot, ot sound at the end, and do and to with the oo sound. Ben's red hen. Ben has a little red hen. She can count up to 10. 5 times she kicks each leg. Then we yell, hooray for Meg. Meg is very smart, you bet, but she's the only hen I've met. So let's look closely at this poem. Can you find the words that have the N family? Ben, hen, 10. They all rhyme. Now, who can find the word that rhymes with leg? That's right. Meg rhymes with leg. Let's try the next one. Bet. Meg is very smart, you bet, but she's the only hen I've met. Which word rhymes with bet? Met. Very good. We're going to read Mr. Fig met a pig. Mr. Fig went up the hill to look for his best friend Jill. On his way, he saw a pig. It was wild and really big. Mr. Fig did a flip, and down the hill he did zip. So I hear the word fig. Do you hear any other words that rhyme with fig in this poem? Yes, there's 2 of them. There's pig and big. Let's look at the next word, hill. What word rhymes with hill in this poem? What was Mr. Fig's best friend? What was her name? Her name was Jill. Hill and Jill rhyme. What word rhymes with flip? Mr. Fig did a flip, and down the hill he did zip. Flip, zip, rhyme. They both have the same ending sound. Here's our last poem, A Bug and a Nut. A bug saw a nut in the sun. She tried to grab it and run. With a push and a tug, the nut fell on a rug. Now the bugs are having some fun. We hear the word bug What word rhymes with the word bug? There's 2 words in the poem. Bug rhymes with tug and rug. And the word sun rhymes with run and fun. Good. Let's have some rhyming fun of our own. Look at the words wet, lip, kit, and can. Can you match them with the words on the right? Zip, fan, pet, and sit? What word rhymes with wet? Wet, pet. That's right. Wet and pet rhyme. Let's look at the next word, lip. Which word rhymes with lip? Lip, zip. Lip, zip are also rhyming words. What word rhymes with the word kit? Kit, sit. And our last word is can, rhymes with fan. We have one more game. We've just matched those words, but now let's see if you can come up with your own rhyming words. Can anyone think of a word that rhymes with wet, pet? Yes, there's a lot of words. Did anyone name get, met, or jet? Okay, let's look at lip, zip. Can anyone think of another word that rhymes with lip and zip? I heard some people say tip, pip, and sip. Lip, zip, tip, pip, sip. All rhyme. Our next set, kit and sit. Who can tell me another word that rhymes with kit and sit? Yes, that's right. We can have the word fit, pit, and mitt. And let's look at our last rhyming pair, can and fan. What words rhyme with can and fan? We have pan, man, tan, and I hear a few of you saying other words as well. Very good, good job. All right, have fun rhyming.